I guess for story reasons they just forced us
then
here.
This Dimensionator was stolen by Dr. Nefarious, who used it to bring you here? Now you just have to find your friend, who is also miraculously a Lombax, to save the day.
And get home.
You must seriously think I'm an idiot. Look, as real as I'm sure this Dr. Nefarious is, this has the Emperor written all over it.
Help! We under attack! Anyone?
Mort? What's going on?
Oh dear.
Brace for impact!
Oh. Look out.
What do you think I'm doing? Ah!
Not looking.
Where are you taking me?
I was gonna take you to my hide. But first, I gotta rescue my friends at their gelatonium factory.
That was a huge world. Jeez.
Great! There's a seeker peat right over my hideout. I haven't been out this far in a while. But a lot of swamp acid between here and the Mort's gelatonium factory.
Those beetles appear to have no issue with the acidic swamp water.
Speedles, yeah. That's why I'm gonna ride one. As soon as I can get close enough. Needle wasps!
Oh shit.
Ratchet, can you read me? Oh dear. My communicator must be broken.
Whoa, level up. I'm guessing the Lombax are sheer levels. Yeah. Oh, hello. You, I want you. I'll let him go, kind of plan.
Where's that speedle going?
It appears some dimensional distortion is emanating from that cave.
Oh, Jesus. I don't care.
And the last speedle runs into that rift thingy. Alright, smarty bot. What is this place?
A dimensional pocket? Perhaps a symptom of the Dimensionator's destruction.
How do you come up with this stuff?
It's what
Hey,
happened.
it's Maynard, the Mortis helper bot. Must have wandered in through the rift somehow.
There is the Speedle.
No, don't hide! Ugh.
Hitting its nest might get its attention.
Hello there. Gotcha.
Oh, dear.
Yes!
Can we turn you into Ratchet? Into Clank, I should say. We can. Oh, does this actually do something? Oh, it does. Do we have to see it? We can edit its color. Can we just make it transparent? Like, it's not there. No? Okay, cool. Oh, we can work on this.
Maybe Maynard can lead me to the Morts.
Oh, you can.
Now, if we could get away from this acid.
Come on, Maynard! Let's find the Morts! Excuse me!
Look out!
I got it!
You don't, trust me.
Sometimes I don't crash. Stop! Stop! There's the gelatonium factory. I'm coming, Morts.
We didn't follow that Lombax and his Robopet across dimensions just to get stopped by some fuzzballs. So you got like 9.5 seconds to tell us where they're at. 1.
Hang on there now.
How would you not? What? They just take the helmet off to put it back.
See?
Okay.
They are looking for Ratchet. I am telling the truth.
Whatever, Bolts. I'm gonna save my friends. Hey, I know where you can find a Lombax.
Another Lombax? Tell us where your friend is, Josephina.
Where are these doofuses coming from?
Perhaps they were stuck through the dimensional vortex as well.
Let me break. Yeah, we can. Whoa. We shut it down somehow? Nope. Maybe we'll just clear out the wave and then it'll tell us how to shut the rift. Oh, you bitch. I have a hammer too, bitch. I love just hitting explosives with my hammer. Oh my god, I need to really stop doing that.
Mort! Good, you're okay.
Us? Oh, when we heard those fellas were after a Lombax, we were worried about you. Well, next thing we know, you're here saving our behinds.
Wait, where are the others?
Well, some of the Morts are stuck inside of that mess there. Not a clue what it is. All I know is it keeps getting bigger. Oh, between that and our new neighbor up there, we're not doing too fine.
Don't worry, I'll take care of it. Oh, and to keep you all busy while I'm gone, got this at Zerky's. Mort can finally fix that ship she's been working on.
Zerkies? Oh, those pirates didn't give you any trouble, did they?
Only a little.
You can give this to Mort yourself once you get her from that purple mess over there.
They all just called Morts? Jesus Christ, they're Pokemon.
Whoa. This wasn't what was in my account last time.
Oh, that is because I added our mutual friend on Nefarious City.
Okay.
Enemy's not getting the point.
Oh my god, there's so many weapons.
Suited at your useless enemy. Oh my! And then it will pop back up next to them. Then what? Pull the fire trigger to hit them again, and again, and again. Bing, bing, bing.
Alright, that one's cool.
Go on. You know you want it. I do like the sight of that. No need to buy that again.
More accuracy would be nice for it.
Sorry, no open sales here. See you next time.
Okay. Do not enter. Got it.
May I take a look? I have some experience with dimensional anomalies.
Sure.
The fuck? Alright, Clank's like technically organic, sort of, weirdly.
Greetings! Welcome! How did you get in here?
Where exactly is, here?
Oh, you don't know? Well, I don't either. It appears to be a space between dimensions. Could be nothing. Could be a cascading entropic fissure that will soon turn the entire universe into a formless soup. Time will tell.
Oh. Oh dear. Well, I am Clank. Please allow me to help.
Right, yes, Clank. I am the all-seeing cosmic prophet of interdimensional sector 2255 phase Omega. But you can call me Gary.
Hi, Gary.
Here we are, Clank. Former warbot, teamed up with the Lombax. Became a hero. Ooh, good for you. Ooh, friend of my father. I see.
Your father?
You might just be the one I've been waiting for. Would you like to help me fix the dimensions?
Yes. Also, who's your
Know how to
father?
fix the dimensions? And why are there copies of me running around?
They're your possibilities. The key to repairing this anomaly. But first, pick up that nearby sphere. Yeah! This is a lift sphere. It can reduce the gravity on any object it touches. It seems your possibilities are what keeps an anomaly from collapsing.
Oh shit.
They look like you because that's how you interpret dimensionality. But as you can see, they've lost their way. If you can guide them to the meta-terminal ahead, we will begin to repair this anomaly. Hey!
But how do I get across? Do I just sprint across? Okay.
Now, enter the meta-terminal, and you'll be one step closer to fixing this dimensional anomaly.
Okay.
I feel like things are slowly starting to make sense. Dimensionally speaking.
Really?
A speed sphere. That'll get you moving.
I bet some extra speed could make quick work of that barrier. Do you live on Sargasso too, Gary?
Savali, actually. I've been studying in the archives. It's the greatest repository of dimensional knowledge I've ever seen.
Let me read. Can I regain this speed?
That device may be able to redirect my possibilities. There must be a way to activate it.
How do I re-pick this up though? Okay.
natural at this, Clank.
I am cautiously optimistic.
It's a weird one, I'll go with that. It's a weird mechanic, but I do like it.
I feel myself learning something by completing these puzzles, and I cannot explain what it is.
Words will come to you when you are ready. Now, lead your possibilities to the final meta terminal. And not to stress you out, but there's a lot riding on this. Like, a lot.
If I fix this anomaly, will that fix all the damage that has been done in this dimension?
Oh no, anomalies are spreading too quickly to do that. I'm afraid a dimensional cataclysm is coming, and our only hope to stop it is with that which caused it.
The Dimensionator?
Indeed. But if repairing anomalies is helping you learn about dimensionality, I think you'll soon be able to learn enough to save us all.
I don't think I'm gonna be able to.
Wonder if I
Okay,
will
nope,
be able
it's
to
just.
solve all of this in the end.
What makes you say that?
It has been a long time since I have been a hero. And with everything that happened with the Dimensionator, I am concerned.
In times
Oh,
of
I
great
see.
stress, which seems to be every day of my life, I've always found it best to take things one step at a time. Focus on what's in front of you. Hey!
No, not that one. Not that one.
I hope I'm not interrupting your process, but I think there are more spheres left to find.
Don't you start with me.
Just a little pick-me-up.
And shit, no, don't die. I love how like they were still like just walking up the edge. Like Clank would do something so stupid.
That's it, Clank! You repaired the anomaly! And now we're one step closer to stopping the dimensional cataclysm.
Are we though? Are we? I don't know who his father is.
So then I says, listen, Mort, you, Mort, and Mort better hide that lemonade before Mort shows up.
Whoa! You saved them! How did you do that?
I am uncertain.
Rivet! How the heck are you?
Look who it is!
Ratchet Rivet, really?
You would not believe my luck today. My trip to Nefarious City went totally sideways. I wrecked my ship, and I...
You go on and leave that one to old Mort. Well, assuming you brought that part I asked for, I'll have this old thing in ship shape.
Just gotta lower the bridge and then I'm taking you to my hideout.
What are we
Woo.
going to do there?
You'll find out soon enough.
I'm scared. What trophy did we get? Whip it.
No, it is quality when you buy from Miss Zircon.
Next stop, hideout. Just have to lower the bridge somehow.
Hi! You sure are one big Grunthor!
I hope you have enough ammo.
Ah, shit.
You're a stubborn Grunthor, too!
Oh, bitch.
To avoid
Oh my
things
god.
like that.
Okay, I need to go get some how. Alright, cool. One less thing to worry about.
No more hostiles within range.
Yay!
Raise the bridge to your hideout for protection, but the controls to lower it are over there on that side.
Thanks for looking out. I'll find a way over. So tell me, my glove thingy can interact with that rift thingy.
Your rift tether, yes. Try aiming at the rift.
Oh! That was fun!
Oh, you bugged out. Ow, you bitch. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on.
Lawbacks has a treat for you!
Can we destroy that thing? There we go.
Do that!
I wish you had a jetpack feature, Bull.
I do as well.
It's slightly broken. Do you not see the missing arm? I could do that. Now where am I getting shot from? Motherfucker.
Alright, now to lower the bridge.
wow.
Come on, bridge. Seriously?
Down your hideout when those troublemakers showed up.
There has to be another way across.
Rocket boots? Question mark.
You will not succeed in jumping across.
Just scoping it out.
Fuck, I'm so low on ammo.
That looked rather painful.
That was painful. Alright. Oh, I should dodge that. Oh shit, I just missed my house.
And now for my final enemy, the Mortz's pressure locks.
It appears that these locks must be hit quickly.
Yep, Morts are funny like that. Ha! There! Time to find out the truth about you.
If only I could talk with Ratchet.
sweet home.
Why are you so hesitant to trust me?
Look, robots aren't really my thing, especially when they're tearing my galaxy apart.
I am not. I was trying to help Ratchet find the other Lombaxes.
Safe for now.
We'll go Spybot.
This is extremely unnecessary.
Lombax.
Okay, so it's only her in this one as well.
Okay. So, you were being honest.
As I have been saying repeatedly,
You're Nefarious. He looks a lot like mine. Evil like him, too. And that Lombax. I know it might sound crazy, but
you think he is your dimensional counterpart.
or something. Look, whatever's going on here, we're gonna fix it.
We? I thought robots are not your thing.
Not all of them, just
Oh.
most.
Oops.
You know, like the Emperor, his stupid followers, pirates. Yeah, I see the irony too.
Oh, I apologize. I did not mean to,
You feel bad? Even though I just watched your brain diary thingy?
Is that a bomb? No, it's a beacon.
Missing infobot located. Initiating retrieval.
Oh dear, no.
Oh fuck, we need Clank to save the dimensions. Bitch, you had one job.
Hey, that's my annoying robot!
Deploying amphibious explosives to neutralize hostile furball.
Hang in there, Bolts! I'm coming!
I love that.
Seeker Pete's flight stabilizer should be on its back. If I can get up there and hit it, I can bring the whole thing down. Gotta hit the flight stabilizer.
That one was kind of bullshit. I'm not gonna lie, I shouldn't have made that.
You must be so excited for annihilation.
Honestly, I am not impressed.
Ah, you bitch.
Give me back my robot.
Yeah, give me back my robot.
The Emperor's got some weak standards, if that's all you got.
Ah, backup power has almost restored the flight stabilizer. How delightful!
What? No, you're not getting away from me.
Ammo. Yeah, it's like no ammo here.
stabilizer until I jump on that thing's back.
This one's slightly more believable. Don't land the acid. Oh shit.
Bring it. Why don't you let me drive that thing?
Please watch your head.
Oh, I got hit there.
I assure you this laser is delicious.
Please don't. Oh fuck. There we go.
This is unfortunate.
Can we get Clank back now, please?
You okay, Bolts?
You came after me.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So you always gotta use your manners.
We've still got some unfinished business.
We should see if Mort fixed up the ship. By the way, how about I hook
And this trophy, yeah,
you up
okay,
with a
cool.
signal booster to fix that communicator of yours?
But that would be delightful.
I thought I was about
Not
to
as
end up.
thrilling as what we're gonna find in this infobot, but it'll be close.
What is?
Thanks for choosing Miss Circles.
Mort, you fixed it! Thank you. Ready to go?
Oh, yeah, you unlock more.
Absolutely.
I forgot I got that weapon. I got a new weapon. I just never used it.